Nowadays, Samsung FRP lock, which is the same as Google account lock, is becoming very tough. Yes, especially the latest versions like Android 13, 14, and even some of the Android 10 and 12 is very difficult. That is why in my videos, I try to show you some of the softwares that has been helping me as a phone technician. You can see this device is currently locked with a Google account, and I was able to use this software to get rid of it. So I had another Samsung device that had a Google account lock, and I decided to use that one as a tutorial to show you guys how you can use this software to remove FRP lock on any of your Samsung devices. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing that you have to do is to confirm that there is FRP lock on this device. You can do that by connecting a hotspot to your device, or you can connect a Wi-Fi to the device. You enter your password and click connect. Then allow the Wi-Fi to connect to your device. Then you click next. Now we are trying to check and confirm that there is a Google account lock on this device. Now, in most cases, it will ask you to enter the previous pattern, which the pattern is forgotten. The Google account also is forgotten. So let's select use my Google account instead. Now we can all see that this device is currently locked to a Google account. So let me show you how I was able to unlock my device. First thing I did, I launched the software. This software is called Wondershare Dr.Fone. This software has a lot of functions like the remove Google FRP lock, unlock screen, and iCloud activation removal, WhatsApp transfer, and data recovery. So you can explore a lot of features, but for the sake of this video, we are using the Google FRP lock. So you select Samsung and then you click start. Now you will select the Android version. I always choose the all Android various versions. It's a one-click removal, but it all depends on the type of device that you are using. So always make sure you select the right version. The next thing we have to do right now is to connect the device to the PC. Make sure that your device is on. Now the FRP removal has started. Then you go to your emergency call on your device and you are going to follow the instructions on the screen. You dial *#0*#*#0*#, and it is going to bring up the test mode for Samsung devices, and the FRP bypass will begin automatically. This software is very effective, especially the fact that it has a lot of functions like MDM lock on all iPhones and iPads. It also has the ability to help you transfer your data on WhatsApp from one phone to another, the same as activation lock and so many features. So you can see that this FRP lock is completely erased. Now let's wait and allow this device to boot back to the main menu. Then we can test other features and confirm that it is working perfectly. You can now disconnect the device from the PC. Guys, you can see that everything is working perfectly. We have access to the device again. So anytime you have issue with your Samsung device, make sure to use Wondershare Dr.Fone to service your Samsung devices. You can also use this for Oppo and Huawei and other devices. In the next steps, you are going to learn how to use the software to bypass FRP on Qualcomm devices. Guys, make sure to follow the tutorial step by step so that you'll be able to achieve a successful result. First, you have to power off the device. Once you have selected the option for Qualcomm, then you turn off the device and you need an EDL cable for Qualcomm devices. When you boot the device into EDL, then you'll be prompted to select your device model number. You go through the options, select your device model number, and then the FRP will get done immediately. These particular steps is for Qualcomm devices, all these latest Samsungs and Co. There is an option for MediaTek chipset as well, so just go through the option and select the one that fits your device. Now we are going to set up the device to confirm that this Samsung device is 100% unlocked. Alright, so the device is finally unlocked and the setup is complete. And this is how to use the Dr.Fone software to remove FRP on any of your Samsung devices. I will leave the link of this software in my description so that you can head straight to the website and read more about this software. You can download the software directly from the website here, and you can also check out the prices on this website. Yeah, so that is all for this video, guys. See you in the next video.